Emergency video. I have to show you the tool that will allow you to fix errors on your MQL5 code. Look, if you know about programming, you know how to use the debugger. You may have used it in other languages and all that, but guess what? I didn't know there's a debugger here in MQL5. I've been programming here for 3 years and I didn't know this. I know there's one for C and all these other languages, but for this one I thought that there wasn't. Guys, there is one and it is super easy to use. So let me show you how can we use it. First of all, we are going to go to the IDE and guess what? This is the code from the previous video. So this is a very simple code on which we are just testing how to use the database. So guess what? What I'm going to be doing is that I'm gonna be putting breakpoints so that the execution stops at that point and I can see everything. Let me show you what I mean by this. And look, if I just double click here on the number, Pam, can you see this thing that has popped up? Guys, this is the breakpoint. Now the code is gonna be stopping here. So guess what? I can now execute this in the debug mode. So for example, start resume debugging on history data. I press this and it is opening the strategy tester and all that. It may take a little bit. Let's wait. Okay, so look, now it has been executed and check what? As you can see here, we have all the different variables with the different results. So for example, check that this variable JSON to dict, it is now empty. Let me find it. Is here, is null. It doesn't have a single thing. But if I press this button and I go to the next line, bam, now it has a value because this function has been executed. And I can check the value. I can see that, hey, how is this working? Is this the correct value? Is it not? Etc. So for example, I can go move to the other functions. And guess what? I may wonder, look, what the hell is happening in JSON push? If I press here, I can go inside the function. Bam! I am now inside the function and I can check. Look, parameter JSON. Okay, this is what is received. Okay, new element. This is what is received. So how is it working? And is it working fine? And look, if I don't want to execute everything in this function, I just need to press this, step out, and I go back to the code. I just step out from the function that I went in. Bam! That easy, guys. So look, I genuinely think that this is truly useful and helpful. We can go here and go line by line and see how things work. So guys, if you found this useful, give it a like, give it a subscribe and left a comment below to let me know what could we improve and what else is there that we don't know. Finally, here we have the best MQL5 course on the internet. For this price, you are not gonna find anything better. So this is the course that will allow you to learn, to understand, and to create trading bots, your own trading bots based on your own strategy. So yeah, go check it out if you are interested. And now, thank you for watching this video and we see each other in the next one.